got that little pocket notepad, and when you go back to camp or when you come back home or wherever you are, you can then take those field notes. And this afternoon we're going to teach you guys about a more in-depth journaling process, which you can then take and transcribe your field notes. And this journaling process will ask you all these questions about what you saw and kind of pull a bunch of other stuff out of your experience. So field notes don't need to be super detailed or super artistic or anything like that, just the basic info.
Will it tell us, like, remind us which measurements to take? I keep leaving some out
Yep.
sometimes that would help later.
Absolutely. Yep, sure will. So over here we got this really cool trail. Can folks get over here?
Oh God!
Out of the shadow. Oh, cool.
Should we walk
So
around
does
here?
this looking up and down this, does this look familiar to what folks were seeing up there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can everybody see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what, Liz, do you see?
I see an animal in its relaxed gait, whatever that one is called. It's normal, like the trot, that just like the steady jog going somewhere.
Okay.
Gait. I see sets of 2 direct register.
Okay. Sets of 2 direct register. So what tells you that it's a comfortable, nice, normal trot, as you described it?
Because it's just like this continual rhythm, unbroken.
Okay.
And it's direct lines, like going from point A to point B. It's comfortable, it doesn't shift or get erratic. It's just a very simple, straightforward pattern.
Okay. Does everybody share similar feelings about that? Or can you see
I see 4.
that?
Yeah.
Like how it's just a really comfortable,
Yeah.
steady, consistent, not a lot changes in it type of gait. The general feel of it is that it's very, it's just doing its business. It's getting somewhere. It's traveling. It's pretty comfortable. There's not a lot of energy in the trail. Being that there's not a lot of push off in the sand. Not a lot of stuff flying around. The tracks are fairly close together. There's not a big gap between tracks, between a group of tracks and then another. And if you look at each track, there's consistent distance between each one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or close to it at least.
Yeah. I saw a pattern of 4 at first, and then as I kept staring, like up on the top of the hill, there were these gaps, but I didn't. Then I just stopped.
Okay.
I thought I was reading too much into it.
So even if it's not a pattern of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 at equal distance, there might be a pattern of 1 here close, and then 1 here close again.
Yeah.
So maybe it's a pattern of 2 at equal distance consistently. So if you're seeing 1, 1, 1, that just means there's still 2 tracks there. It's just a direct register, right? So sometimes you'll see them spread out actually in a non-direct register, and it'll clearly look like 2.
Yeah.
But it's consistent. It's groups of 2 over and over and over and over again. So it's doing some sort of trot or a walk.
So it is 2.
So it's, consistent groups of 2. Again and again and again. So what's the lay of the track? Is it a straight line?
No.
Is it
Kind of goes like this.
Well, kind of was up there, but then it...
Sort of a straight line.
Could
but
you
then-
draw it and draw the general pattern? You can do it in the sand if you want.
Well, it seems to be
I am confused.
sort of a straight line, but still.
It's like an arc to me.
An arc?
I'm seeing 4 consistent because it looks like it goes left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left,
Okay.
and 4s.
It's like there's the left foot comes down, the right foot comes down, then the left foot comes down, but then it like crosses over, and there's this other foot out there.
So check this out. As it comes up here, do you notice something different that happens right here?
Yeah,
Yep.
what I see is the spacing between each track is more consistent.
Okay.
Whereas and it's also looks less curvy. I mean, I can still tell that there's like a left and a right, but it's pretty much runs along a straight like center
Okay.
line, which tells me that it's probably, well,